Okay guys, ever wanted an elegant, minimal footer with a smooth newsletter form and clean navigation? Building all of this from scratch can take hours. Well, this section wraps it all up for you instantly. Today we're adding this footer section to your store. So let's not waste any more time, let's jump straight into it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link. This takes you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here, you can install any app based on your needs. Right now, we're searching for Section Kit in the search bar. This is the app that makes building your store so much easier, genuinely. Open it and install it. The process takes just a few seconds, exactly like any other Shopify app. After installing, go to Explore Sections and search for SK Footer number 9. You'll find this section here. Click on More Info and purchase it. All the details are listed right below if you want to read through them. I've already purchased this one though, so let's close this and click on My Sections instead. This is where your purchase sections live. Let me scroll down and there's the section. Click on Customize, choose your favorite theme, and the section installs successfully. Now let's open it in Theme Customizer and give it a second to load. Once ready, click on Add Section and search for it. Then choose SK Footer number 9 from the results. It'll be added instantly. Now let's scroll down and customize it together. First, let's start with the heading. There's a layout style option with 3 different layouts to choose from. Pick whichever fits your section best. Right below that, you can also change the page width. Now let's move on to the newsletter settings. Update the newsletter heading based on your own store, and in the input placeholder field, add something like an email placeholder. There's also a step indicator text field, which is optional, but you can add something there too, along with a success message and an error message. Now let's add a logo. I'm just adding a random one here to show you how it works, but you should customize this based on your own section. Right after that, you can add your social links based on your own store, and in the bottom bar, add your copyright text. Below all that, there's a color section where you can update the section's colors too. Then in the Add Menu column field, add your menu pages. I'm adding 2 random pages here just to show you how it works, but you can add as many as you'd like based on your own store's navigation. Once you're happy with everything, just hit Save, and the section goes live on your store. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like, and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. I read every single one, and I'm always happy to help.